How to align your paragraph, how to make it center, right, and left. Also, how to bring more spaces between your line, how to justify all your paragraph like this, and how to bring spaces or make a space between your line and word, and also how to make spaces before or after your paragraph. In this video, we are going to learn all these things. Learning Microsoft Word with Willie Ahmad Mohammadi. Now, as you can see, it's at the left side of my paper. How I can bring it at the center, just I will click here. It will bring, let me select this, bring my cursor on the paragraph, and now I will select and click on the center. You can see that my paragraph or my sentence is at the center of the paper. Also, I can click on align right, and you can see that now my paragraph is at the right of the page. You can also use from the shortcut to make that too. The shortcuts are just if you bring your mouse over the section, you can see that it has Control L. For bringing the center is Control E, and for bringing the right side of the page it is Control R. So let me write that. Control E, also Control R, sorry, and Control L. So let's Control L, align. I will write like this, align center, and this align right, and also align left. That was how to make alignment in your paragraph. Let me write a paragraph. I'm going to use from the rand comment. I have already told you in the previous video. If you did not see that, you can go to that video and also check that we have studied the font group and also the clipboard. So I will press enter, and now you can see that I have 5 English paragraph that the Word gave us for testing or practice in the Word or in this app. Now you can see if I select this piece of paragraph, I can make it center, align left, align right, and this section that we have studied. Now let me select more than that, and I'm going to select all the parts of these paragraphs together. I have selected the 5 paragraphs together. So now I want to have the same as this space here, the same of this line with this line too. So there is a space that is not good, that does not have a good design. So I want this to be in the same line. This paragraph is not. We are going to justify this or make it a better design that be in one line. Justify will make this happen for us. Just I will click on this section and I'm going to click on justify. I have a shortcut here to make it justify like this. Now you can see all the lines are in the same position, and it looks much more better than before it was. So I can now, with this shortcut Control+J or Control J, I can make it justify. So I'm just going to write it justify. So we have learned what's justify, and now if I select this these 5 paragraphs together, now I can come to the justify. Now I'm going to click on justify low, then the next one justify medium, the next one justify high. You can see how it changes and how it affects on our document. So based on your need, you can use from this justify that I have told you. The next section that I'm going to tell you is about how to make a space between your lines. So I can say it line space. In Word or MS Word, we call that line space. So how I can increase or decrease the line space in between my paragraphs or in our paragraphs. Just I'm going to click on this. You can see now the line is 1, the next one, 1.15, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and 3. That was it. If you want to add more spaces, you can go to line spacing option, and then you can add yourself how many spaces do you want, or how much space do you want between your lines. I'm not going to talk much more about this module or this page. The other section that may needed by you or may need that section too is sometime that one of our paragraphs, for example, I'm going to select this paragraph and I will make it bold. Sometime I need that this paragraph have or has space from its before paragraph and also from its after paragraph. Just I can come to this section and I'm going to click remove a space or also add a space before paragraph. If I click it here, you can see that I have a little space after or before my paragraph. And then inshallah we are going to study this, how you can make much more spaces between or after or before your paragraph in this section, how you can inshallah you will see in this tab and the layout how you can make much more space or more than this that I have told you in the home section. The next issue that we are going to talk about is that sometime we want a space from the left side of our page or from the right side of our page. How we can use that and how we can do that, just we can make that happen with these indent section that we have it here. Indent just bring us a space before our paragraph from the left side of our paragraph, and also this will decrease, something is decrease and something is increase. So now if I want to increase the indent or the space from the left side of my paragraph, just I will click on this button. You can see that I have got some spaces, and if I want to remove these spaces, just I will click on decrease. And then, so as I told you, indent is going to bring us some space before our paragraph or from the left side of our paper or of our page that we are working on that. Also, we are going to study much more about this and how you can get the space after your paragraph or from the right side of your page too. So inshallah you will see that in the next sections and video too. This is going to be our big playlist. Inshallah we are going to talk about all the sections and all the selections or buttons that you see in Word or MS Word. So do not make it complex. Word is an easy application and we are going to learn everything that it has. I think for this video it's enough.